To begin, place the ironing mat onto the hat pressing lid. This will ensure perfect support for your hat. Slide your hat onto the lid and position your design. Secure your design in place using heat-resistant tape. Press power to turn on the machine. Then use set to precisely set the temperature. Press set again to adjust the heating time. The heating process completes once the set button lights green. Long press the power button for about 2 seconds to count down. When the countdown is over, the ironing process completes. Enjoy your design.